Welcome to YouTube channel. This is Pawan Kumar D, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Department of Mathematics, SRR, Government Arts Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. Here, now the topic is envelope. Here, what is the envelope? We'll see the applications of envelope. Here, envelope is a one parameter of family of curves, is the locus of limiting positions of intersection of any two curves of the family when one of them tends to coincide with the other, which kept fixed. Here, the one parameter family is the f of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0 is the one parameter family of the curve. You are eliminating the alpha between f of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0 and it is derivative with respect to alpha. F alpha of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0. Here we are getting the two equation. In these two equations we have to eliminate the alpha. We getting the equation. That equation is the envelope of the given family of the curve. Your application is to find the envelope of the family of lines y is equal to alpha x by a by alpha. Given family of straight line are y is equal to alpha x plus a by alpha. Differentiate partially with respect to alpha. Here this is right, left side is 0. Alpha x is x minus a by alpha square. Here that is equal to x is equal to a by alpha square. Here substituting x in 1, y is equal to alpha by a alpha square plus a by alpha. Here y is equal to 2a by alpha. From 2, alpha square is equal to a by x, alpha is equal to square root of a by x. Here this substitute alpha in the equation 3, y is equal to 2a by square root of a by x, y square is equal to 2 square a square by a by x. Therefore we have to cross multiply. We are getting the y square is equal to 4ax. Here y square is equal to 4ax is the equation envelope of the equation y is equal to alpha x plus a by alpha. Here find the envelope of the straight line. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to L sin alpha cos alpha. Here alpha being a parameter. The given curve is the one parameter family of curve, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to L sin alpha cos alpha. Dividing on both sides by sin alpha by cos alpha is equal to x by sin alpha plus y by cos alpha is equal to L. We are differentiating partially with respect to alpha. We are getting the x by minus x by sin square alpha, sin alpha derivative cos alpha, minus y by cos square alpha, cos alpha derivative minus sin alpha is equal to 0. Here we have to simplify it. We are getting the tan cube alpha is equal to x by y, tan alpha is equal to x by y all to the power of 1 by 3. Here in this one, this tan alpha written in the form of a sin alpha and cos alpha. Sin alpha is equal to x to the power of 1 by 3 by square root of x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3. And cos alpha is equal to y to the power of 1 by 3 square root of x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3. Substituting in equation 1, we are getting this one. X by x to the power of 1 by 3 by square root of x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3. y plus y by y to the power of 1 by 3 square root of x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3. Here the root is the common, this one is the remaining, that is equal to L. Here this one can be written as x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to L. Here multiply these two equations, that is equal to x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 whole to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to L. Three by 2 is equal to L. Therefore x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to L power 2 by 3. This is the envelope of the equation. Find the envelope of the straight line y square is equal to m square times of x minus m being a parameter. Given equation is y square is equal to m square times of x minus m. Here m is the parameter, we have to differentiate partially with respect to m, that is equal to 0 is equal to m square x minus m cube whole to the power of 1, that is the derivative. Here that is that m square derivative is 2mx, m cube derivative is 3m square. Here we have to simplify it, m is the common, that is 2x is equal to 3m, x is equal to 3m by 2, here m is equal to 2 by 3 into x. You have to substitute in equation 1, you have to simplify it, that is equal to 20 square y square is equal to 4x square is the envelope of the equation 1. Here find the envelope of the straight line x square sin alpha plus y square cos alpha is equal to a square, alpha being a parameter. Given x square sin alpha plus y square cos alpha is equal to a square, y square cos alpha is equal to a square minus x square sin alpha. Here y square is equal to a square by cos alpha minus x square tan alpha. Here differentiate partially with respect to alpha. Here this left hand side is 0. Here a square by derivative of cos alpha 1 by cos alpha is minus 1 by cos square alpha. Derivative of cos alpha is minus sin alpha minus x square, tan alpha derivative is secant square alpha. I have to simplify it. Here that is equal to sin alpha is equal to x square by a square. Here in the given equation in the form of sin alpha and cos alpha, here we know the sin alpha, you have to convert into cos alpha form is a cos alpha is equal to square root of 1 minus x to the power of 4 by a to the power of 4. That is equal to cos alpha is equal to square root of a to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 by a square. Substitute in equation 1 and simplify it. We are getting the equation x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is equal to a to the power of 4 is the envelope of the equation 1. Find the envelope of the straight lines y is equal to mx plus a m to the power of p. Here m being a parameter, given equation is y is equal to mx plus a m to the power of p. Differentiate partially with respect to m, that is 0 is equal to derivative of m is 1 x plus m to the power of p is p into m power p minus 1. Yeah, that is equal to minus x by p is equal to a into m power p minus 1. Yeah, from 1 y is equal to m times of x into plus a m power p minus 1. You have to simplify it. We are getting py is equal to mx into p minus 1. Here both side we have to multiply powers p minus 1, we are getting this result. Here p power p minus 1, y power p minus 1 minus x by ap, x power p minus 1, p minus 1 all to the power of p minus 1. Here from 2, that is the from 2 is the amp power p minus 1 is equal to minus x by p. Here substituted. Here that is equal to, simplify it, y power p minus 1, p power p, a is equal to minus x power p times of p minus 1 power p minus 1. Here in this one there is no m. Here this is the required envelope of the equation 1. Here a comma b are the functions of x, y and m. M is the parameter. Then the envelope of am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0 is b square is equal to 4ac. Here the function in quadratic form and a, b, c are in functions of x, y and x and y. Here m being a parameter, then envelope equation is b square is equal to 4ac. Here find the envelope of the family of straight line y is equal to mx plus a by m being a parameter. Given y is equal to mx plus a by m, y is equal to m square x plus a by m, my is equal to m square x plus a. Yeah, that is equal to m square x minus my plus a is equal to 0. Yeah, this is a quadratic equation in m. The required envelope is b square is equal to 4ac. Here b is minus y, a is x, c is a. You have to substitute it. You are getting the y square is equal to 4xa, that is equal to y square is equal to 4ax. Yeah, this is the parabola equation. Yeah, y is equal to mx plus a by m. Its envelope is y square is equal to 4ax. Find the envelope of the family of straight line y is equal to x tan alpha minus gx square by 2u square cos square alpha. A given equation is a family of curve with parameter alpha. Yeah, y is equal to x tan alpha minus g x square by 2 u square secant square alpha. 1 by cos square alpha is secant square alpha. Secant square alpha can be written as 1 plus tan square alpha. Yeah, the required equation is x tan alpha minus g x square by 2 u square minus g x square by 2 u square tan square alpha. Yeah, gx square by 2 u square tan square alpha minus x tan alpha plus y plus gx square by 2 u square equal to 0. Yeah, this is a quadratic equation in tan alpha. Yeah, its envelope is b square is equal to 4ac. Here a is the gx square by 2u square, b is the minus x, c is the y plus gx square by 2u square equal to 0. Yeah, substitute in this equation minus x square plus 4 times of gx square by 2u square of y plus gx square by 2u square. You have to simplify it. We are getting the 2u square by 2g is equal to y plus gx square by 2u square. Yeah, this is the required equation of the envelope. Here we have to find the envelope of the family of one parameter is simply we have to eliminate that parameter. How we have to eliminate it? How we eliminate is we have to differentiate partially of that parameter. We are getting the two equations. In these two equations we have to eliminate that parameter, then the required equation is the envelope of the family of the given curve. Yeah, next section we see the two parameter family of curve. That is, here it is involved two parameters that are Here y f of x comma y comma a comma b is equal to 0. We have to eliminate a and b. We get the two equation. In the three equations we have to eliminate these two parameters a and b. The required equation is the envelope of the given family of the curve. We will see in the next section.